Yang kan? Hay kemudi kau kan?
Temom di phá.
Yes, back home. And as you can see, it's really very well done reservoir and small lake which is created. And there are 7 schools that are doing this. And we will be now taking up many projects all over the state to overall improve the water conservation in the state as a whole. So I wish the department and all the stakeholders the very best. Bring your face. Okay, yeah, there you go. Yeah, look like that. There you go. Okay? Yes, sir. So 1, 2, and 3. Yay. Thank you.